In this video, let's look at how you can create an overlay screen in XD. Now, this might be something like simulating hamburger menus or slide-up keyboards. In this case, we're going to use it for our profile. So essentially, what overlay does is stacks one artboard on top of the other. Since we already have our profile page designed, we're going to move straight into prototyping. Just one note, all we've done is create an artboard exactly the same size as all of our other artboards for this mock web page. So going over to prototype, and I'm going to go ahead and go to this menu, because this menu is actually what we're going to be prototyping. And I made this menu a component, so once I change it here, it's going to change everywhere. So I'll just double click into my profile, and I'm going to pull that wire over to my profile page. And so my trigger will be tap. The type will be overlay. You can choose an animation, so if you want it to slide down, that can be an interesting feature. Setting our easing, and in this case, we're just going to ease in, and we can lower this time, so let's use 0.3 seconds. Okay, let's play that and see what it looks like. Okay. So you can see we've got that nice little overlay sliding in. Now, my position is a little bit off, so let's take a look at that. Now, over on this page, I've got this item which shows where that overlay is placed. So notice when I click on it, it's showing where that is appearing. And I actually think that looks pretty nice. So we're going to leave that as it is. But now we need a way to get out of the profile and back to the previous page. Let's take a look at how we do that. So in order to get to the previous page, we're going to prototype that profile artboard. So in my design, I just added a little X to close this out. And all I need to do is click that wire. Again, my trigger is tap, and we're just going to go to the previous artboard, and that's all there is to it. So let's play this out one more time. And we can play this from any page because we have those all prototyped. So we'll go ahead and play here. There's our profile, and there we close it. So you can use the same method again for hamburger menus, slide up keyboards, and just really play with that to do whatever you like.